Dr. Rishabh Sharma. I am here to explain you about burns. What are burns? Burns are the damage to the skin. It is skin tissues or appendages. It can be the damage can be occurs due to chemicals, that is HCl, or fire, or we can say the hot objects we touch in our day-to-day life. The burns can be maximally, or the doctor can divide the burns into 4 degrees: first degree, second degree, third degree, fourth degree. First degree burns are the minor burns, or the second degree burns can be say minor burns, but third degree or fourth degree burns are major burns. Now we can categorize burns into 2 major categorization, that is the minor burn or the major. There are certain things which are myths in the peoples. Okay, the myths about the burn are: first, we should not apply greasy items on the burn, that is Vaselines, butters. We should not do this because they trap the heat in the burn area. They are not escape out. The heat should be escape out from the burn area. So we should not apply the greasy items, that is Vaselines or grease, or we can say butters. Now we should not put our burn area under the ice, because the ice would increase the problem. It will increase the problem by making the frostbites. Frostbites will develop in that area, which is very harmful condition on the burn area for the patients. The third and the major step which everybody is doing is, on the burnt area they apply toothpaste. We should not do that application of the toothpaste, because the toothpaste always do the trapping of heat into the burnt area. About the major and the minor burns, their differences. When we will say the burn is a major, when it covers the whole hand, feet, or we can say the faces. When it covers the buttocks or the genital areas. If we will see the burn area, if there is appearance of a blister and the blister is 3 inches, or we can say the 7 to 8 centimeters long, then it is the major burn. The major burn can occur due to the fire. When it occurs due to the fire or hot water or electricity, these are the major burns. Now, what are the minor burns? Minor burns are not the injury. These are the burns which can be seen in day-to-day life. These burns are only small patches, or we can say there are only small blisters around it. I would like to share about how to treat the minor burns. So, because major burns will needs hospital requirements, so we can discuss about minor burns. What are the minor burns? Let me show you an example. This is my patient is having a minor burn. He has got hurt by a hot water when he was bathing. Okay, so this is the minor burn. He is having the rashes or a red colored skin. First, we have to pour some cold water on it till 15 minutes, or when the pain is get released. So we are pouring the water on the burn, and the patient is trying to bear the pain. So we will do this thing till 15 minutes. Okay. So this is the water we have done, and now we will clean the burn area gently on the skin, from the skin. So if we will look the burn, if there is a blister on it, then we do not have to put we can say the nail of a finger. We do not have to put a pointed object on it so that it can burst. We do not have to burst it. We have to put an ointment on the burn. This is our Dettol ointment. Now we are cleaning the burn with the Dettol ointment on gently. Okay. Now we will put a fresh cleaned cotton on it, and we will apply a bandage which is non-sticky. It is very important thing. You should apply the bandages, non-sticky bandage on the burn, like this. We don't have to apply the bandage very tightly, so that there is it will block the circulation of the blood from the burn area, or we do not have to put our very loosely, put it very loosely, and we would remove the bandage. So this was the simple treatment of the minor burns. Thank you.